Okay, go Ate Siang. Okay, yan, may bago akong gitaristo. Pa-plucking po. Good job, Ate. Diba? Sige pa. Sing ka, sing. Sing while playing guitar. Nagpa-plucking. Ang galing. Ay, daliri. Galing mo talaga, Ate Siang. Very good ka talaga. Partida yan, kagigising lang yan.
When I'm a baby, you always play a guitar for me.
Yeah.
You always sing a song for me. You have a guitar now, eh?
Yeah.
And you don't have a guitar because you gave it to Tita Mayan.
Ito, ano to? Ito, ang batang to.
Kahawak ko.
Hawak tite.
Galing ni Ate Siyang. Patuwa. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please subscribe.